In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and videos from your SSD to your Samsung Galaxy S26. Now, if you're using an SSD like mine that has a Type-C cable, then you can always just easily insert it directly into your S26. However, if you're using one of the older models, then you will need to use an adapter like this that allows you to insert the SSD into the adapter and then the adapter into the phone. So from here, simply just go ahead and connect the two items together. And to ensure that your SSD has been successfully recognized, swipe down for notifications and you should see this USB storage added has appeared. From here, you can then go ahead and open up the Files app on your phone and then find your SSD. It should be under USB storage, so go ahead and tap on it. And then go ahead and find the items that you wish to move. Once you've selected the item or the items that you wish to transfer, tap your transfer method, whether it's to move or to copy. And then in this pop-up that appears, you're going to swipe through the different options and select internal storage. Under internal storage, choose your destination for these specific items and then select the option copy here and they should be completely transferred. When you go back to the main files menu and you navigate to the internal storage, and you find the folder that you've placed your files in, you should be able to see it. And otherwise, you should also be able to see in one of the categories that are currently on your device. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.